Hello everyone and welcome to another Web3 game. So this one is Major. Actually the name is Major and the community has been reached 2 millions, and it's one of them that you may can trust it because it's useful. Actually, in new video that we had on not going, this Major actually is useful because you get the rank and you can spend it, you get the star and you can spend it on that platform. So it's been based on Tone blockchain, and it's kind of verified in Telegram, so it supports Cat Citizen, and it's been launched on Telegram. The communities, everything is simple, and you can get the reward and you can actually spend the reward in application. So let's see what we have here. So it's basic ranking with your task, with your daily rank, and you can get ranked and you can get tone. Actually, you can add your wallet, you can connect your wallet from here, and you can boost your rank. And you see mine is for 5.4k stars, and you can boost your rank here, and this ranks can be used in not going. Actually, I checked some activities in new phase of Nightcoin, and I saw it can be used there. So we can invite friend and get the star here and get the major star token, and with premium telegrams you will get to hundreds of them. And you have the earn section, client position, donate rating, invite more friends, boost channel. This is why I'm saying this works for that, because when you click on boost channel you can boost it by this token. And the history of that, it's your bonus, actually daily bonus, invite bonus, and a lot of things here, incoming, outgoing, and we can see your balance here, and you can see your rank. You have a rank and balance, and this one is kind of more trustable. I say again, don't trust any of this Web3s because they're not trustable, none of them. But this one has been working with channels, with other Web3 games, and even with Notcoin. You can use it in Notcoin in some section, and it's been launched in Tone. It's verified launched in Tone. Actually, it's not like Lumber. So I'll put the link in the description. Join it to see what's gonna do with that, and you can get the reward and you can spend it in the other platforms or Tone. So it doesn't give anyone actually payment on Tone, but I didn't get anything from it in Tone. But the rank, it says that others had a lot of actually ranking and stars. They get paid on Tone, 50 tones, and there are a lot. So I'll put the link in the description and try to join it to see what you get here. And I want to give you an update in this video on Lumber project. So let's see. They said it's gonna be launched on this date and time. They're gonna have actually live stream on Telegram, what they're saying, and it's gonna be on CEX. So they're gonna launch it on that. But something new happens here. They added a website. When you click on it, it's the domain is lumberjack.game, and after a long time of loading, it will redirect to lumberjack.live, and they put some informations here. Security, run on blockchain, play to earn, instant play, and this items. But I think they're gonna launch it on multiplayer, and I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't even trust it, but I pay my gas via transfer my token in Tonekeeper. Nothing is not for sure yet, but this site, it's not just actually a complete site. You see, when you click on sign in, you move to localhost. Actually, they're still maybe developing, and it's not a complete site. So by the way, I wanted to just give an update on this one, but keep this major. Seriously, this one is actually useful. I put the link in the description. Just join it and see what happens. This one have a really big community here, and let's see another time. 2 million of subscribers are here, and they have the support actually in Telegram, support for major. It's business Telegram support, and it's more, you see the numbers are increasing actually. Just take it as serious. It doesn't take a lot of time. Just want to invite friends, or do the task, or just get your daily bonus. So I'll put the link in the description. I gave you the update of Lumber. It's take, I think they say again, it's 4 days, and let's see what happens. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I put the link in the description. Just join it. It's not something that you payable now. You pay something for that, but just for now. But maybe in future, maybe you should pay something. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching my video.